Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanam Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe Om Shanti 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 शिशिमानंदमय की जय। आज बनाएंगे भरवा भिंडी। Whoever likes bharwa bhindi, watch carefully. You know, there are lots of different ways that one can make bharwa bhindi. I'm making it this way. Now the measurements are all there in the description box, okay, so you can check it out. I think this is 3 tablespoons of sabit dhania, coriander seeds. Then you take 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, which is jeera. Okay. Then 2 tablespoons of saunf, fennel. Then half a tablespoon of kalonji. Then very little methi seeds. Don't take more, otherwise it will become bitter. And then roast it nicely. Go on roasting till the flavor starts coming. So I'm showing you how nice, and you know, it should become nice and flavorful. See, now it's roasted. So I'm going to switch off the gas, let it cool down. Then we will do the mixer. It has to be ground into a very fine powder. So let it cool down, then I'll show you. See, this has been made into a fine powder. Have a look. Then you add 1.5 tablespoons of amchur in it. This is amchur. And salt. And mix it nicely. Now this is the stuffing, the filling of the bhindi. Bhindi is okra, okay? So you mix it nicely. Then this is the bhindi. You slit it in the center like this. ऐसे slit मारिए, so that we can open it and do the filling. So this is all slit and kept. Just put a slit. That's it. Now I'll mix it with the hand. दिखाओ भारती क्या? Now what you do is take your bhindi, see the slit, okay, and fill it up with this, like this, and the entire bhindi. This is how you do it. So I'll do all and show you later.
Jai Ma.
Jai Ma. See, she's filling up everything. The stuffing. Bhindi stuffing. So I hope all of you are watching. And I forgot to welcome all of you. So welcome to my channel. And keep watching. Lots of different recipes I'm giving. So whatever I can think of, I'm doing it constantly. So once she fills up all this, then we have to do the tempering. Chalk लगाना पड़ता है गैस पे और फिर उसको पकाना पड़ता है, which I will show you. Now see, the bhindi is all stuffed. We've done that. I've switched on the gas, and you take mustard oil, सरसों का तेल. Let it heat. Then 1 teaspoon of jeera. Then hing. Then half teaspoon of ajwain. Just little bit. Then adrak, ginger. Chillies, you can take 2-3. Not very spicy. Then take red dry chillies. I've taken 3. You can take more also because they are not spicy. And stir. Saute this a little bit. Then put a little bit of turmeric, haldi. Put the flame on slow because the masala should not burn. Once this is done, then you take your bhindi. Okay, see, it's all stuffed. And start putting it in on slow flame. Stir. Mix it nicely. First we have to put it on high flame and mix. Once this is done, then you will put it on slow flame and cover it with the lid and let it cook. So that's what I'm going to do and show you. Now see, this is all ready now to be covered. So put it on slow and then take your lid and cover it and let it cook till it's absolutely done. Then I will show you the next thing. Now we check. This is done. See, soft and nice. Then all this stuffing masala is left over. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit. And then you take one whole lime juice and sprinkle. Switch off the gas and mix. And this is it. We are done with the bhindi. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti 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 Shishimanandamai ki Jai. Try it, see how you like it, comment and let me know.